Nobody said this stuff makes any sense. We're hooked again. The point of no return. See how the buildings burn, light up the night. Such a pretty sight. Adrenaline keeps me in the game. Adrenaline, you don't even feel the pain. Wilder than your wildest dreams. When you're going to extremes, it takes adrenaline.
So, on the alumni team, how's it going? What's your name? What year are you?
Chris Mertens, I graduated in 2010.
George K. Burrows, graduated in 2010. What else we got?
What was your favorite part about Loyola?
Playing alumni gym.
Yeah? Yeah? What was your favorite match at alumni gym?
There's a lot. Let's say the one where we beat Penn State in 5.
Yeah, I remember that game. It was a great game.
Keeps me in the game. Adrenaline, you don't even feel the pain. Wilder than your wildest dreams. When you're going to extremes, you taste adrenaline. Run through the speed of sound. Everything slows you down, and all colors that surround you are bleed into one. Only thing you really need, just a way to find the speed, and then you will achieve escape velocity. Too much is not enough. Nobody gave it up.